Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Hanukkah cookies is probably one of the most delicious ways to celebrate the Festival of Lights. From classic sugar cookies shaped like dreidels to chocolate-covered gelt, the variety of treats available is truly impressive. In this video, we're diving into the world of Hanukkah cookies, exploring the best options to make your holiday season extra sweet and joyful, and helping you find the perfect treats to share with family and friends. Number 5. Philadelphia Candies Milk Chocolate-Covered OREO Cookies. Celebrate Hanukkah with these delightful cookies. They are filled with cream and decorated with Star of David and menorah designs. Each box includes 8 cookies. Some are decorated with Hanukkah symbols, and some are plain for a balanced look. They are made with OREO cookies. These OREO cookies are covered in rich milk chocolate from Philadelphia Candies. The combination of flavors is simply irresistible. This makes a perfect gift for the holiday. Personalize your message and add gift wrap during checkout to make it extra special. Philadelphia Candies has been making fine chocolates for over 100 years. The company offers a 100% happiness guarantee on all their chocolates. What we like? These cookies are dipped in rich milk chocolate and decorated with festive Hanukkah symbols. The packaging is designed for gifting, making it a perfect present. If you're looking for a delicious and visually appealing treat to give as a gift, you should consider this. What people say. The decorations on 4 are cute. The taste is superb. It is exactly like the photos, and you can tell that care has been put into the making of these cookies. Number 4. Hanukkah Cookie Gift Basket, hand-decorated vanilla sugar cookies. Looking for the perfect Hanukkah gift? This delightful cookie basket is the answer. It's filled with delicious, hand-decorated vanilla sugar cookies, perfect for sharing with family and friends. These gourmet cookies are made with care and are kosher certified. You can be sure that it's a treat everyone can enjoy. It's a thoughtful and delicious gift for any occasion. Whether it's for kids, adults, family, co-workers, or friends, this gift basket is sure to please. The cookies are beautifully presented and taste amazing. It's a sweet way to show you care. Each cookie is hand-decorated, making this gift extra special. The attention to detail makes this gift stand out. It's a unique and memorable present. This dessert gift box contains 3 beautifully crafted cookies. It's the perfect way to celebrate Hanukkah. Give the gift of sweetness this holiday season. What we like? These cookies are hand-decorated vanilla sugar cookies, offering a classic taste. They come in a gift box, ready for giving. If you are looking for a simple, delicious, and beautifully presented treat, you should consider this. What people say. So well designed and made. Very good quality. Absolutely gorgeous cookies, beautifully packaged, with a lovely reusable tin. The presentation of this cookie is amazing, it is so beautiful. Number 3. Hanukkah Cookies with Sprinkles. These festive cookies are perfect for celebrating Hanukkah. They are delicious and covered in colorful sprinkles, making them a fun treat for everyone. Made with love, these cookies are baked to perfection. The recipe uses quality ingredients to ensure a delightful taste in every bite. The vibrant sprinkles add a touch of joy to the holiday. It's a simple yet effective way to make the cookies look extra special. These cookies are ideal for sharing with friends and family. Wrap them up nicely, and it becomes a thoughtful and tasty gift. Indulge in the sweet and satisfying taste of these Hanukkah cookies. It's a delightful way to enjoy the holiday season. What we like? These cookies are classic sugar cookies with festive sprinkles. They are simple and fun. If you like a simple and classic cookie, you should consider this. What people say. These are great gift boxes for presents, baked goods, hostess gifts, etc. The patterns are so pretty and the boxes are well made. They come flat and practically make themselves. Number 2. Dulcet Hanukkah Gourmet Gift Basket. Send your warmest Happy Hanukkah wishes with this gourmet gift basket. It's filled with delicious treats perfect for family, friends, and colleagues. Inside, you'll find a Hanukkah cupcake, assorted cookies in sprinkle, dreidel, and blue and white flavors, and a pound of arugula. This basket is sure to delight everyone. The whimsical packaging and treats will enhance any Hanukkah celebration. Set it out at a party or holiday meal for an impressive centerpiece. This gift basket is ideal for friends, family, parents, and grandparents. The nostalgic flavors of these fresh-baked goods will win everyone over. Each pastry is individually wrapped to ensure the utmost freshness. We may substitute flavors based on availability, but the quality remains the same. We're confident you'll love this gift basket. If you're not fully satisfied, we're here to help. Buy with confidence and make this Hanukkah special. What we like. This gift basket includes a variety of Hanukkah treats, including cookies and cupcakes. The presentation is elegant, perfect for any celebration. If you are hosting a Hanukkah gathering and want a complete dessert solution, you should consider this. What people say. The cookies were beautifully decorated. The cookies were delicious and festive. The cookies arrived in perfect condition. Number 1. Manischewitz Hanukkah Cookie Decorating Kit, 12 cookies. Get ready for some holiday fun. This kit makes it easy to bake and decorate your own festive Hanukkah sugar cookies. It's a great activity for the whole family. Inside, you'll find 12 pre-baked sugar cookies, colorful powders, sprinkle mix, royal icing, and piping bags. Everything is included to make your cookies look amazing. This kit is perfect for holiday parties. It's easy to use, and the step-by-step instructions make decorating a breeze. Enjoy the delicious results. With this kit, you can create beautiful and tasty cookies. It's a fun and kosher activity that everyone will enjoy. Get ready to have some fun. This kit provides enough supplies to decorate 12 cookies. It's a great way to celebrate the holiday. The cookies are sure to be a big hit. What we like. This kit provides pre-baked sugar cookies and decorating supplies for a fun, family activity. It's a kosher-certified product. If you have kids and want a fun, interactive activity, you should consider this. What people say. Lovely pre-baked Hanukkah cookies. Nice not to have Christmas kit or have to bake cookie mixes yourself, but be aware that you need to purchase powdered sugar as there are no icing tubes, just powder mix. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.